So P58 means 58th percentile. My answer is going to be a z-score. I don't know the z-score yet. So the big mistake people make is they put 0.58 here. No. What is 0.58? It's an area. It's a percentage. It's going to go up here. Where are the areas on this chart? In the middle. Those are areas. I look up a z-score normally and I find an area in the middle. Now what do I have? I have an area. Am I going to look at the positive or negative side? Because I'm above 0. So if I look at the positive side, what's the closest you get to 0.58 in here? Yeah, 0.20. See, let me say this. That's 7 away. That's 32 away. Do you guys see what I'm saying? That is like 0.0007. But it's 7 away from being 58, and that is 32 away. So which one's closer? This one. So what's the z-score? It is 0.20. So if I know an area, I can find it, or close to it, and then just look out to get the z-score. Math works both ways. If I can change a z-score into an area, I can change an area back into a z-score. So since I knew the area was 0.58, we got the closest we could, and we got a z of 0.20. So normally, what do? We look up z-scores, and we get areas. We look up a z-score on the outside, and we get an area on the inside. What do I know here? I know the area. So I look up an area on the inside and then go out to get the z-score. Don't look up 0.58. That doesn't make any sense. 0.58 is not a z-score. It is a probability. So that's why I said what I said earlier. They look like each other. Evil. So 0.58 here is not a z-score. It is the area. I'm trying to find the z-score. All right, let's do the first few. Less than 1.51, that kicks ass. That kicks ass because the chart tells me the area below. So when I look up 1.51, yeah, that will be the answer. 0.9345. Become a 9. You don't have to do 1 minus at all. It's greater than negative 0.9. Now, where's negative 0.96? Down here. There's greater. So already I know the answer should be bigger than 50%, right? But when I look up negative 0.96, what do you get? Yeah, 0.1685. So that, of course, whenever you use a chart, you immediately put it below whatever the shit you just looked up, because that's what it does. And then I can see I don't have the answer yet. 1 minus that is 8315. And of course, if you look up positive 0.96, you'll get the answer. That's the little tiny shortcut. And then negative 321 up to 1.98. This makes total physical sense. If I look up 1.98, that's too big. It's exactly this much too big. So I look up both z-scores and I subtract the areas. Never subtract z-scores. What does the z-score tell you? No. Nope. No. No. Only if I know it's normal, and then it's not the z-score that tells me, it's the chart. What does the z-score always tell you, no matter what? The distance from the mean to the data points and standard deviations, or how many standard deviations from the mean to the data point, right? It's a location, isn't it? So if you subtract z-scores, you are now somewhere else. Now you're dealing with a totally different problem. Never subtract z-scores. Subtract areas. Can the answer be negative? So you subtract big minus small. You don't just put negative and keep going, because now you're saying it's a negative chance. That's some weird shit. So what I get when I look up 1.98? Yeah, 1.9. Ooh, there's all kinds of stuff. Yeah, 9761, 1.98. 9761, so that's 0.9761. When you look at negative 3.21, .0007. I like it. So when you subtract those, .9754. I like it. So I like it. Which we should expect. It's a huge chunk of the whole picture. It should be a huge percentage. We did this one. This one's very similar, where 5% is above the z-score. So where the hell is the z-score going to be to have 5% above it? It can't be here. That's 50% above it. So it's got to be way the hell. If it's down here, then it's got a huge percent above it. It's supposed to have only 5% above it. So it's got to be up here. Now, what areas does the chart understand? Areas that are aware. What does it always give you? When you look at the z-score, it gives you the area below. So it only understands areas below. Do I want to use 0.05 for anything? No. What area is below the z-score answer? 0.95, the rest. So you look up 0.95. If you look up 0.95, where am I looking it up? What side? First. Positive, because I know it's up here. And I'm looking out here, 0.95? Yay, yay. No, right? It's an area, so I'm going to look in here. Now, this is a neat one. This is one that's going to happen a lot to us. 0.95. How close can I get? I can get right here. Aren't these equal distant away? Aren't they both the same distance from 95? Do you see? So follow the arrow. Follow the little asterisk, and it says, oh, okay, it's not 1.64. It's not 1.65. It is 1.645. Right in between the two. Where's 95%? Well, this is 94.95. This is 95.05. So 95% would be right in the middle of those two. It's not 1.64. It's not 1.65. It's 1.645 in the middle. You see that happens in at least one more place. So this should be 1.645. That z-score. Is it okay that it's greater than 1? Of course it is. It's a z-score. They could be huge. They could be negative. All right. Yeah, good. I want to leave a little early. We can stop there. We'll do the rest of it next time, but this is going to involve the z-score formula. You might want to go back and remind yourself what that was. This will not be on the quiz. So remember that quiz on Monday is just chapter 4 and 5. This is chapter 6. Yeah. Don't forget your ID, please, for God. I love it. I don't hear that often enough. Yes. Yes, that's yeah. Just redo anything that you got lost points. That's all the corrections. Yeah. And then you turn it. Yeah. Oh, somebody's phone and Cassandra, please still be here, Cassandra. Or did she just leave me her? Oh, is that Cassandra? Oh, she's probably getting in. Oh, okay, there she is. Oh, whose phone is this? Please take it. Please help me. I don't want to have a phone. Okay. Sorry. Oh, so I tell you that probability of A or B is this, right? And the probability of A or B equals the probability of A plus the probability of B minus the probability of A.
Well, thankfully.
So if you set the whole formula up, you know everything except this. And then you solve it. Okay, so set up the A or B formula, fill everything in, solve for B, subtract. Yeah. Cool. I can't remember off the top of my head. I mean, this is good. It was double points. So you will pass if you keep making that or better. Yeah. Oh, I didn't really need all that.